Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to disable pinned comments on Pinterest. Maybe you have experienced unwanted comments on your pins or simply want to prevent anyone from commenting on your pins. So today I am going to show you how to disable pinned comments on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your profile page by tapping on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile page, tap on the board where the pin you want to disable comments is located. Here, select the pin that you want to disable the comment section. On this page, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and here, you can now see this Allow Comments option. By default, this option is set to on. To disable comments on your pin, simply toggle off this switch. After that, you now have successfully disabled comments on your Pinterest pin. So there you go. If you wanted to know how to disable pin comments on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to disable pin comments on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.